Drip, drip, drip. You can use all the colors, Lahana. We're going to take a film of you doing that. You're an artist.
And it's hard to squeeze it, huh?
Yeah, you squeeze. Squeeze and drip.
Here, let's try again to get you some more paint. Perfect.
Wow!
Good job. That is awesome.
See your mama?
Oh, Mom's making pretty colors.
Oh, wow. Those are gorgeous.
That's awesome. Look at the paint.
London.
That's okay.
Things.
You want to make an alligator? You color up the A for alligator.
London, the house. You want to get another color?
You can color this with marker.
He does. London, do you want to help? Come here. You got some Pikachu down there. Pikachu doesn't get already. Put Pikachu right there. Come here. Come here. Come here, London. You want to put someone here? London. You guys can take your jackets off if you want. Pikachu get me by the tail. You gotta keep Pikachu safe. Okay? You wanna come paint? You don't want Pikachu to get all painty. Beautiful, Lahana. That's broken road.
Color some letters. Make it
And it's for alligator.
Yep. Oh, sorry. I think I maybe stole your top. Or no, that's yours.
Right.
There's some more alligators.
No. You like alligator? You want to play with Pikachu? Go play with Pikachu over here. Keep Pikachu safe.
I say orange.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
A is for alligator.
Javier's making some orange drops.
Come here, Lennon. You can do it too. You gotta stand up though.
Roll up your sleeves a little bit. This is kind of tricky, huh?
Come on, stand up.
Try it again.
Tricky.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
different than just
Yeah.
the brushes.
Here, if you squeeze it, go squeeze, and then it goes, sucks it up like a drink. And that's how you get your
Like a
paint.
straw.
Yeah, like a straw.
It sucks it up like a
Okay,
straw.
now you have your paint.
And then you can drip, 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 drip.
There you go. Good job, Javier.
There you go.
Good job, Javier.
Look, Rose. Javier, sorry. I just mixed up with
Getting some more orange. I'm gonna tape our tablecloth so it stays nice and clean. But I'm gonna watch you make more orange.
Oh, it's fun. You can copy mine. I copied hers.
She's trying.
This one's cute with the stripes.
There you go. Now it's getting more paint. Now you're ready.
Good job,
That is so pretty, you guys. You have a lot of paint. Here, can I show you?
The grandpa on the back side.
If you hold it like this, Javier. Hey, Javier, mira. Javier, look how I do it. See how it points down? So it can drip, drip, drip. I'm pointing it down to the ground. Got some green, an orange. It's dripping. Good job, Javier. Pretty. That is so fun.
So now I'm like
More green and more orange.
in 15 more days. On the 26th, we're having
More green and more orange.
No, I'm not going to go. We're just doing the telephone. Oh, I see. Yeah. But I'm trying to get all my
Fix our
all my
little
boys
round
my
here.
RV. So if they want to stay out at the reservation, and that's what the vicinity helps. They haven't.
Whoa. That's awesome, Javier.
At the mill, at the.
What about if I get the forest, okay?
Okay.
And then if they want to stay out there,
Ooh, some light green.
and then so the boys here for me.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's kind of hard to read, huh? Good job putting it back in the right color. This one goes in here.
They were.
There's a fold. Okay, thanks for telling me.
You and their babies.
Some light blue. That's pretty.
Here, Lottie, should we feed the baby?
Whoa.
Okay, here's the baby. Should we feed the baby? Good. Here, baby. Time for your lunch. Nom, 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 nom.
You're really figuring that out. You're helping it shrink. Uh-oh. Here, let me help. Let's save it.
Yeah,
There we go. That's better. Nice light blue.
You have school. The 2 more minutes is us getting ready.
I have some wipes for painty hands.
It's beautiful.
Thank you so much. Hannah, can I help you get the paint off your hands? Ready?
Baby got
Oh,
you,
you've
baby.
got little blue eyes.
You're gonna find it. Here's a baby hairbrush.
We can do that.
I'll save the kit for you for next week, okay? Promise. I see a little bit more green on your fingers. Let's see.
Wow.
Isn't that
You look
beautiful?
amazing. There's lots more room on that. There's lots more space on this canvas.
It's just paint everything. That's a little
I
bit
started
better.
doing drip art at my house.
Drip
Where
art.
did you guys get the canvases?
They got these ones from the
Here, wanna try blue?
Or even at Fred Meyer. Yeah.
Lohana, you gotta take that shirt off.
Good job, Javier.
I noticed that you're using both hands, Javier.
He is working hard.
You're working very hard with both hands.
That is so fun. Ooh, you got both hands. Perfect.
Yes, an artist. Javier is really enjoying the drip art. Is it time? Yep. All right, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for helping us with the drip art. Oh, that's a ferocious looking alligator.
Are you finding all the right places for the hats? Good job.
Alligator.
And blue, orange, pink, perfect. Let's clean off these pinks or colors. Surprise,
You
surprise.
want to push the baby buggy around the room? Like this? There's one other little girl for her to play with. There's one other little girl. Ashton's here. You can take the baby for a walk. Come on, baby, let's go for a walk.
Vamos a sacar una foto, ¿ok? Cuidado.
Wow, what a good jump up here. Want to play animals?
Diego, nada más tu mano niña. ¿Pero ese es el grandito? This one. Ah, pero espera tu turno. Ahorita vamos primero la niña. Mira, ayúdame a pegar unas letras, porque el cocodrilo quiere comer letras. Tiene una. Dale una. Here's one for Diego if he wants to bury it home. Here's a cool one that smells yummy. Huele más. ¿No huele bonito? Are you going to work on your alligator? Maybe this one is yours, Mommy.
Yes, let's put more things on it. Some things on the train, okay? We need some towers on the train.
Look, if you take the back off the eyes, there's see?
Make some structures, okay? Let's make some structures on the train because this is a freight train and the freight train is carrying all the freight to the other side of the mountain for the children and to the zoo. They have to take this train has to get animals to the zoo.
You were working hard on it.
Right?
And
Hey, wait for me, says this car. Hey, wait for me, says this car.
Look, Rose.
You want to try me? Hey, wait for me, says this man.
good job. You like ice here? You can use the glue on that.
I'll work on this one.
You want that too?
Let's work on this one together. What's the matter? What happened this time, Rose? You want to try that now? Oh, another one with the face. Oh, here's one. Ooh, a person. Here's a guy.
Another soda.
This is how about this one? Yeah, we can put. Where do you want to put that?
Oh.
You did it. You did it.
Okay. No, like this.